today with a garage door technician check. This is our first job today, replacing the opener. Let's go for another one. I have arrived to my next line. What do we have here? Rusted cable, and rusted brackets here as well. So that's gonna be replaced today. So this roller is pretty much done. Rusted bracket, the rusted cables, and a 15 years old spring. Let's give it a try with the opener. Happens. We have a third job for today. It's another opener. This guy good, but give up. I believe after 40 years, it's time to replace. Let's do it. New opener. Client switch from chain to the belt. Smart move. Let's give it a try.